Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable biometric login on the MetaMask wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MetaMask application on your device and then log in using your account password. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the home page. Now, if you wish to enable biometric login or disable it, tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Security and Privacy, and now just scroll down until you see the Unlock with Biometrics option. If this is enabled, then you can simply tap on the toggle to disable it, and you will be asked to provide your verification once again. If you disable biometrics, then you can unlock the device using a PIN. You can tap on this button to enable it, and you will be allowed to set up a PIN code. You can come back to this menu as many times as you want in order to enable or disable your biometrics. Now, if you are enabling your biometrics, you will be asked to enter your account password. Type in your password within the given box and then tap on Confirm. And now, you can tap on Unlock with Biometrics once again in order to enable biometric verification. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable biometrics on the MetaMask application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.